Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on how to draw cartoons. So I was talking to my Facebook friends about drawing this morning and saying how I really enjoy drawing things that are against type. And what that means is I like to take characters who are established to be one way, like a fire-breathing dragon being fierce, and drawing them so they're the other way, like adorable, cute, and harmless. And I did one, and it seems like everyone really enjoyed it. So I thought, well, this is an idea for my friends on YouTube. That's you guys. So I'm going to do one for you now. Let's get this out of the eye right. Okay. And I will go over this again in a marker in a minute. So we're making this big kind of round pillow-like face. Big horns, oversized, that he's got to grow into. I think the eyes are still too far apart. I'm going to put it down a little like this. Little nostrils here. That's good. Always rechecking and taking the opportunity. It's an opportunity when you think, oh, I'd like to do it this other way, not the way I just did it. That's an opportunity. And take it. You see something? You see a way you can make it better? That's a good thing. Some people don't like to redraw, but professional artists are always redrawing. It doesn't actually occur to them that there's a reason not to. Okay, here we go. So I'll flatten the top out a little bit. And give him some wings. Like so. And now I can put it together in ink. Gigantic pupils, see? As opposed to the small little fisheye kind of look, you know, almost, well, actually almost a feline eye for the dragon. Very simple stuff. A tiny mouth, because tiny is cute. And the regular dragon has a gigantic mouth with all those teeth, but he doesn't even have a single tooth. He hasn't even yet seen the dragon tooth fairy or eaten the dragon tooth fairy. And there you go. There is your little baby dragon. Have a nice time being just a friend to you and a friend to me until he gets bigger, and then he will have you for lunch. I hope that was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. I have new videos every week. Please subscribe, and thank you for seeing me today. Bye-bye.